Most people think upgrading their style takes money, shopping, and weeks of effort. That's wrong. In the next few minutes, you'll see how to upgrade your style in just 24 hours. No shopping spree, no extreme changes, no fashion expertise. These are zero-effort visual rules that immediately change how people perceive you. Stay until the end because the final rule is subtle, psychological, and most people completely miss it. Rule 1. Style is about signals, not clothes. Style is not what you wear, it's what your appearance signals. When someone looks at you, their brain makes decisions fast, confident or unsure, put together or careless, high status or invisible. They don't analyze your outfit, they read patterns, structure, and clarity. Your goal in 24 hours is not to change your wardrobe, it's to clean the signals, remove confusion, increase clarity. That alone upgrades style. Rule 2. Fit is 80% of style. Nothing destroys style faster than bad fit. Too loose and you disappear inside your clothes. Too tight and it looks forced. Good fit creates clean lines. Clean lines tell the brain intentional. Within 24 hours, do this. Choose clothes that follow your body, not fight it. Shoulders sit exactly on your shoulders, sleeves end cleanly at the wrist, pants break once at the shoe, not pile up. You don't need perfect tailoring, you need not wrong. Removing bad fit instantly upgrades how expensive and intentional you look. Rule 3. Simplicity beats complexity. More details do not equal more style. Extra zippers, loud graphics, random text, too many layers. All of these create visual noise. Style improves when the eye moves smoothly, not when it gets distracted. In 24 hours, simplify. One main piece per outfit. Everything else supports it. If your shirt is strong, keep pants simple. If your jacket stands out, mute everything else. Less information makes you look more confident. Confidence always reads as style. Rule 4. Color control changes everything. Color is one of the fastest upgrades available. High contrast cuts your body into pieces. Black shirt, white pants, bright shoes, the eye stops. Your silhouette breaks. Low contrast keeps the eye moving. Within one day, aim for 2 colors max. 3 only if they're close in tone. Monochrome outfits are powerful because they stretch your silhouette. Dark tones especially add weight, maturity, and calm authority. You don't need fashion sense, you need restraint. Rule 5. Clean shoes, clean message. People notice shoes more than you think. Dirty shoes tell the brain unfinished. Bulky shoes add weight at the bottom. They anchor you down visually. Slim, clean shoes lift your entire silhouette. Within 24 hours, clean them. That alone is an upgrade. Avoid extreme shapes. No oversized soles, no aggressive designs. Shoes should support the outfit, not scream for attention. Quiet confidence always wins. Rule 6. Posture is invisible style. You can wear the perfect outfit and still look wrong. Why? Posture. A collapsed chest shortens your frame. A forward head kills authority. Slouched shoulders destroy structure. Good posture makes cheap clothes look better. Bad posture ruins expensive ones. Stack your body. Head over spine, chest open, not forced, shoulders relaxed, not pulled back aggressively. This takes 0 money and 0 time, but it instantly upgrades presence. People don't say nice posture, they say he looks sharp. Rule 7. Grooming is a multiplier. Style without grooming never works. Messy hair breaks the top line of your silhouette. Untrimmed edges signal neglect. You don't need a new haircut, you need control. Within 24 hours, clean edges, intentional hair shape, nothing accidental. A slight lift on top increases perceived height and confidence. Clean facial hairlines sharpen the face. Grooming doesn't add style, it multiplies everything else. Rule 8. Consistency creates authority. Style fails when elements don't agree. Casual top, formal shoes. Sharp jacket, sloppy pants. Clean fit, chaotic accessories. Your outfit should speak one language. Consistency tells the brain you know what you're doing. That's what authority looks like. Rule 9. Move like you mean it. Style is not static. People see you move. Fast, nervous movements reduce presence. Over-gesturing creates insecurity. Slow down slightly. Not dramatically, just enough to feel deliberate. Walk with space between steps. Pause before turning. Let movements finish. When movement is calm, style feels expensive. Final rule: style works only if you believe it. This is the rule nobody talks about. If you don't believe you look better, your body language exposes you. You adjust too much. You fidget. You seek validation. When you commit internally, people accept it externally. Style is a feedback loop. Feel sharper, move calmer, get better reactions, confidence locks in. That's how a 24-hour upgrade becomes permanent. Conclusion: you don't need new clothes. You don't need trends. You don't need effort. You need cleaner signals, better structure, calm confidence. Apply these rules once and your style upgrades immediately. Apply them consistently and people treat you differently. That's the real power of style. If this helped, share it with someone who needs it.